Definitely most satisfying. Obviously Virat Kohli is one of the best players in the world, but it's one of those deliveries that you just comes out of your hand nice and it pitches on leg and hits off. So it'd be nice to bowl that every time, but it's not possible. But it came out nicely then.
It's unfortunate that we lost this game, but if you see overall, then we have done quite well. And keeping the World Cup in mind, which is next year, I think whatever batsmen have learned from this T20 series and ODI series, how to bat on English conditions, bowlers how to bowl here on these pitches in one-day games or limited overs. I think it's very important, and going forward in this year's cricket, whichever games we play, I think we would, or our team would try and execute what we want to do coming here in the World Cup.